Want to lock your Android phone without pressing the power button? The double tap to lock screen feature makes it quick and convenient. If you're using a Samsung Galaxy device, here's how to enable it. Opening the settings page, scroll down and tap Advanced Features, then select Motions and Gestures. In this menu, find double tap to turn off screen and turn the toggle on. That's all you need to do to activate the feature. Now, whenever you're on your home screen, simply double tap an empty space to lock your phone instantly. Keep in mind that the gesture only works on a blank area of the home screen. If you double tap an app icon, folder or widget, your phone will open or interact with that item instead of turning off the screen. This feature is a great alternative to using the power button, especially if you want to reduce wear over time or just prefer gesture controls. It's simple, responsive, and can make using your phone feel more effortless. If you don't see this option on your device, it may not be available on your current software version, or your phone manufacturer may place it in a different settings menu. Updating your device to the latest software version may also add new gesture features. And that's it! You've successfully enabled double tap to lock screen on your Android phone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other helpful Android tips and tutorials.